Good. We are proud to announce that in January 2025, my government will employ an additional 250 Now, this effort will help improve the current teacher-to-learner ratio, bringing it down to 1 to 34, allowing for more individualized attention and effective learning. Training is an investment in you so that you in turn can empower future generations of Kiambu. To ensure optimal learning, a learning environment, we are proud to announce that in January 2025, my government will employ an additional 250. This effort will help improve the current teacher-to-learner ratio, bringing it down to 1 to 34, allowing for more individualized attention and effective learning.
My name is Ecde, an ECD teacher in Ecde sub-county, teaching at Career Community ECD Center. This workshop is one of the best workshops which has ever been planned in Kiambu County, meant to equip ECD teachers with the right skills and attitudes so that they can be able to address the issues that children are facing. Not only teaching them, but also helping them treat children with different capabilities accordingly.
Here for a workshop, 3-day workshop, and it is meant to improve our capacity. And because the teachers are the implementers of the curriculum, this program will help us it will enable us. This is an enabler to all of us to ensure that whatever we give to our learners, we give to the best interest of the child. And ensuring, understanding that our governor has this leaving no child behind is our motto, and making Kiambu great again. I feel that he's gone to the right direction, because when the foundations are found, we will give the children the best. It means the generations after will have a firm foundation for education.